How to delete search suggestions on Facebook app. So if you want to delete the search suggestions on Facebook app, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and scroll down. Go for settings and privacy. Again, go for settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and search for an option which is activity log. Tap on activity log, and here scroll all the way down and go for the last option, which is logged information. Under logged information, you need to go for the search option, tap on search, and go for your search history. Once you're here onto this page, you need to simply go for the history in which you would like to delete. So simply go for the right side, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on delete, and that will be deleted. So that's how you can delete the search suggestions on Facebook app. Or if you want to delete all of these, then you can simply go for clear searches, and that's it. That's how you can delete all of the search suggestions on Facebook app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.